Previously on the first episode of the Complete Offroad Experience.
Ready to wheel? Woo!
Yes! One try, foot to the floor.
On the second day, participants were greeted with a beautiful sunrise and a very tasty breakfast provided by a Total Offroad podcast. Participants are leaving trailers behind today because we're staying on property. What they don't know is this will be a trail that they'll likely never forget.
Or 2023 day 2. Woo! Better. My bad. So we are here today, so send it, make some good pictures.
Video.
It's the last day.
Yes.
Oh, put it on the trailer if it breaks.
Yep.
You do not have to wheel for the event, you wheel for the day at this point.
You know, you guys that have been here before, we don't have a whole lot of rocks. I mean, we have ditches, we have ridges, we have ravines, we have little hills, stuff like that.
Something just fell
Oh,
off.
you got the soft top. Oh, yeah.
That's what I saw fly off, a piece of soft.
My name is Fred Willenberg. I'm one of the co-owners of Crawler Off-Road, so one of the sponsors of the event. Got a 2008 Jeep Rubicon, mostly stock, mild lift, 37-inch tires. Yeah, course is awesome. Love coming out here, great time. Broke a little bit today, but still had a blast.
Oh, yeah, you broke the axle yoke off and the U-joint. Like, don't
Keeping those for my wall of shame.
like, sir, you dropped this.
But you're keeping that one.
Oh, you're a ballast boy right now.
Rear starting to drop. Front end picking up the
This right here is why we do this. Look at the smile on that guy's face.
I'm Vance Banan. I won through the Crawler Off-Road raffle. I drive a 2003 Jeep TJ, 4-liter automatic, Dana 44, 8.8 in the rear, locked on 37. It's been doing good out here. It's been a good weekend. A lot of exciting stuff already today, so looking forward to the rest of the day.
Back up about a foot.
My name's Matt Torat. I was the Crawler Off-Road winner. I drive a 98 Jeep Cherokee Sport, Dana 30 front, 8-quarter rear, Spartan locker, 35s, long arm kit. That's about it, nothing crazy. And so far it's been a great experience, great people. Minor incident yesterday and a little more major incident today with a rollover, but we got her back up, running, ready to go.
Your locker's on.
Front locker.
My name is Steve Summers, and I host the Total Offroad podcast. What was the next question?
How you got the invite?
Oh
you're
yeah,
a sponsor.
I'm a sponsor because I am the host of the Total Offroad podcast, so therefore I'm a sponsor. But yeah, this is my 95 Jeep Cherokee. It goes by low key. The new paint job is not so low key, and it's basically a stock driveline. It's got a 4-liter and a stock transmission. It's got a basically stock transfer case with SYE, and then we've got half-ton 44 or half-ton Ford axles underneath it. So we got a Dana 44 up front and a 9-inch out back. And those have 538s and air lockers, and sitting on a set of 40-inch tires on raceline bead locks. So far, the event has been excellent. I got my ditch snakes on, courtesy of Rad Designs, and we're just out here wheeling it up. But other than that, we are in good shape.
Go!
Hey, Sam, hard back up and then hit it. My name's Sam. I work at the shop at Complete Offroad. This is my 97 Jeep XJ. Minimum done to it. It's one of the smaller rigs out here, but it goes everywhere with everyone else, which is awesome. It's my second year doing core. Core just keeps getting better each time we do it. Great way to get out into the woods with everybody.
Oh, too much.
Oh, right there. Hit it. Nice job, Sam.
Hey, Chris, how'd that go? Get it. Watch out, girls. Or be on the watch out, because this thing may come at us.
Dave Hansen. I got invited back this year. I was a winner last year. I came back as support this year. 93 Toyota cab and about 4 foot of frame. It's got a supercharged Toyota 2.7 liter out of like a 2000 Tacoma. Automatic, dual cases, Dana 60s front and rear, Mickey Thompson Baja bosses. Just flat out works. It's been I think it's better than last year, and I think it'll get better every year.
Tim Greenfield. Rich invited me.
Did you get the invite by winning?
Apparently.
Tim was an alternate.
Yes.
We'll just call you're an alternate.
Yes, or I lost a bet, one or the other. 2013 Jeep JKU. It's got G2 front axle with RCV axles. Yeah, it's got a 6-inch lift.
How's the experience been so far?
Oh, it's good.
There will be a part 3, so stay tuned because this is one that you're not going to want to miss. Be sure to check out Core 2023 on Instagram using hashtag Core 2023.